Hello friends, viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to share chicken stuffed bell pepper recipe. Let's see what ingredients we need for it. Ground chicken, 1 lb, 4 bell peppers. I picked the 4 different colors. It's up to you. You can use any. Just cut the top and remove the seeds. Onion 1 chopped. Tomato 3 chopped. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon. Oil 1/3 cup or as needed. Achar Masala 2 teaspoon. Crushed red pepper 1 teaspoon. Salt ½ teaspoon. Coriander powder ½ teaspoon. Garam Masala ½ teaspoon. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Cumin seed powder 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Green chili 3 to 4. Chopped fresh coriander as needed. For boiled rice we need rice 1 cup. Water as needed. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin seed 1/4 teaspoon. Butter 1 teaspoon. Put a pan on medium burner and add oil, onion and fry until it turns light brown. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Cook almost 1 minute. Add ground chicken and cook until its color change. Its color now changed. Add turmeric powder, cumin powder, add salt and mix it well. Cook it 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's cooked. Add black pepper, add crushed red pepper, mix it, add tomatoes, cook 3 to 4 minutes, cover with the lid. Let's see how it's doing. Tomatoes are cooked, it turned soft. Now add garam masala, green chilies and fresh coriander. Add achar masala. Mix it well and cook 3 to 4 minutes. Now chicken is ready for stuffing. Now we're going to start stuffing these bell peppers. All bell peppers are stuffed and ready for baking. Take a baking pan, lightly coat with cooking oil. Add all stuffed bell peppers in it. I'm using heavy bottom pan. If you have light bottom pan, then add 2 tablespoons water in it. Cover with the foil paper. My oven is preheated at 425 Fahrenheit. We have to bake these 50 to 55 minutes. Add 3 cups water in a deep pan and put on a medium flame. Bring it boil. Add rice, add salt, cumin seeds and cook until 98% tender. Now drain the water. Is 98% cooked. Add butter. Mix it lightly and cover with the lid and cook 2 minutes. Now bake these peppers uncovered 5 to 6 minutes. Now our bell peppers are ready to serve. Chicken stuffed bell peppers are ready. It'll look delicious. Please try this recipe and comment me if you like it. Please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.